This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Steiding. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home has great curb appeal. This very nice home was built in 2005 and is freshly updated and ready to move in and enjoy. New tile flooring and carpet. 2 different sliding doors lead out to the private and secluded screened heated saltwater pool. One from the dining room and one from the eat-in kitchen. Master bathroom was renovated in 2021. Lots of pool deck for entertaining and enjoying this private paradise. Nice and quiet neighborhood that is convenient to all that Southwest FL has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Steiding at 813-330-0530.